So this has been about 3 days, and this is the queen box, and she is out. So we're about to look.
She came out that hole right there.
Came right there, out right there, and we're about to look for her right here.
Which frame do you think she's on?
I think she's in that one right there.
That one?
Yeah. Now to find the queen bee, you're gonna have to look for a green dot. Once you see a green dot, you found her.
See her there.
Nope, not on that frame.
But they're building honeycomb.
Yep. So, good job so far.
Yep. So let's go this side.
Yeah. Is she right there?
See her?
I didn't see her.
See her there.
Let's check on that one.
Squish a bee.
She's gotta be here somewhere.
There she is.
Where?
See her?
She
Right there in the middle. See if you can get her on camera. See that green dot?
Yep.
That's alright. That's alright. Get it.
Okay. Oh.
Still recording?
Yep.
Still recording?
We're
Okay.
still recording.
Alright.
Okay.
We're okay, folks.
We're okay. There she is.
So you just see the
that
queen?
green dot? Right there.
So they're building honeycomb. They're starting to store actually some pollen in there in some of the cells.
Mm-hmm.
They hadn't got them built deep enough to... Oh, actually there's some eggs.
Really?
Yeah. You won't be able to see them with the camera. I don't think you'll be able to
There's
see them
some
with the
pollen.
camera.
Those black spots.
Well, they're putting nectar in there. They're putting so much sugar water in there. So they're doing good.
Mm-hmm.
They're building honeycomb.
Good job, bees.
It's been 3 days, so they're building honeycomb. The queen's moving around. I saw a few eggs. So it kind of looks like she's just started to lay a few eggs, so that's
There's
good.
some bees too.
So we're feeding them pollen
Pollen right there.
for protein, and we're feeding them sugar water for carbohydrates.
Down here is the sugar water. Starting to close the hive back up.
Without squishing any bees.
I've already had a few.
There's one being ornery right in between that rack. I can't see now.
We're sorry.
He's still stuck. Get out of there.
Still stuck, really?
Where's my hive tool? I may have squished him. So they're building on the center 4 or 5 frames, and that's good.
Good, good, good.
Are you still recording?
Yes, sir. There's our smoker. And there's some bees. We're gonna...
So you ready to put this one back together? You want me to, and you want to keep filming?
You can start filming.
Oh, you want me to start
I
filming?
want to get on camera too. Oh gosh.
All right, folks. Jaden's gonna
There's that bucket that he tripped over.
put the hive back together without dropping the sugar water.
Wait, am I turning this on?
Yep, that's right.
I put it like this?
Yep.
You sure?
Yes.
I'm gonna crush
Line up the corners. No, there's room underneath.
Oh,
You won't crush them.
okay.
Okay, that's good.
Got that first one done.
Now let's fill it up.
Fill up. See all those bees in there? They're drinking it.
Okay. All right, it's good.
Mm-hmm.
All right, get your lid on.
Perfection so far. Let's put this back.
Yeah, you'll think perfection when they sting at hand. Like that one right there
Which one?
by your hand.
Oh gosh.
All right, don't bump it around.
I won't.
Line up the corners good. Got it? Now the top. One steady.
There we go.
Zone?
That's how you put a beehive together.
That's right. Now I got to figure out how to put the smoker out. All right.